What's good? I'm back again with another video, and today I'm going to be doing an apartment tour of my new loft. I'm very, very excited. If you're not following me on like social media, you wouldn't know this. Just saying. But I moved. I'm in the same complex. I'm just on a different floor in a different unit and definitely like a new floor plan, you know what I'm saying? Josh is calling me, but there's so much natural light in here. I'm so happy. It's gonna make filming videos so much easier, and I can't wait to show it to you guys, so keep on watching. So this is the door, and then once you walk in, I have like this little entry situation going on here. This was actually a gift from my mom. Well, it wasn't necessarily a gift. I just needed something to like put my keys and shoes on, so she gave this to me. I'm personally not a really huge fan of this type of wood. I'm not a fan of this color, so I'm probably going to replace this pretty soon. And then I just have my keys in here, and then I have some of my shoes, like easy slip-on type of shoes. Like I have my running shoes, and then I have my YouTube creator slides that I use to like pick up Postmates, you know, like if I have to just like leave the house real quick, I just slide them on. It's very easy. And then don't mind everything here. I'm still not fully unpacked in the kitchen yet, but here is the kitchen. It's so beautiful and so wonderful. I just have like these two plants here. These actually were not supposed to be here. They were on the floor in my last apartment, but I kind of like the way that they look on the counter, so I might just keep them there. And then I've got the sink right here. It's very cool, very groovy. I have my Vitamix blender, paper towel holder, and then I love this stove/oven because it's touchscreen, and then I can connect it to Wi-Fi and control it from my phone, which I think is really cool. So gotta love that. And then there is my microwave. I have an appliance here, and then I need to organize this, but this is like my little wellness shelf where I have like all of my supplements and things like that, and then I just have a little bit of snacks here. And then this is my fridge, and the thing that I love about this fridge is that it has a water filter. In my old apartment, I did not have a water filter, so I literally had to buy water like every 2 days. It was very annoying. So yeah, that is the kitchen. So that is the kitchen, and then once you turn to the other side, it is the bathroom. And this is the bathroom that, there's two bathrooms technically in my apartment, but this is the bathroom that I use. It also connects to my bedroom over there, but this is the bathroom. It looks very beautiful. I love the color scheme in here. I want to incorporate more pinks into my house just because pink is one of my favorite colors. Actually, it is my like true favorite color, and it just makes me very happy when I look at it. So I'm putting more pink into my house because it brings me joy. As you can see, I have a lot of things on the countertop that do not have homes yet. This is just a new razor that I'm trying out. I have my toothbrush, candle. I also have this really cool water resistant wireless speaker, and this is really cool because it is water resistant, so I can actually listen to music while I am taking a shower, and the steam from the shower will not damage the speaker. So really love this. I bought this in like 2012. I'm sure they've come out with new generations since then, but it still works for me. It's not broken, so I still have it, and I don't need to repurchase another one. And then I have my sink. I have a little plant. I got all of these from Home Goods. This has my Q-tips inside, and then this has my cotton pads. And then in here in the medicine cabinet, I have all of my skincare that I'm currently using. And then down here I have a bunch of, you know, like assorted goods. I'm still trying to figure out a home for everything, so not everything is completely organized. And then I have my toilet right here, and then I have my shower/bathtub. I want to show you this shower head real quick. She's super cute, you know what I'm saying? So you walk outside of the bathroom, and then that is the living room. But before we get there, I wanted to show you over here. I have my washer and dryer. These are also touchscreen. Very, very cool, but I'm gonna turn it off because I'm not doing anything right now. And then over here is a coat closet, and I just have some of my coats. I have an ironing board, I have my Swiffer and my little mini vacuum. And then I have my Tide Pods and my iron right there. So all of that is in here, and I think it's pretty much gonna stay this way. I think all of that is just gonna stay in there. And then if you continue going, this is my bedroom. It is very messy right now because I'm not finished unpacking yet completely. This is exactly the same like floor plan as the bedroom in my last apartment, but these ceilings are much, much higher. That's gonna be a theme throughout this entire apartment, is that the ceilings are so high in every single room. But I got this table from IKEA, and then this vanity mirror and light situation was actually a gift from my brother for Valentine's Day, like, oh my gosh, like 6 years ago. And then I have a love sack right here. I love this because it's so high and you literally can just like jump into this, and it's super, super comfortable. It's awesome. This was also a gift from my brother. Well, a gift from my brother. He was moving and he didn't have enough room in his new apartment, so he gave it to me. So yeah, it is technically a gift. I have a humidifier right here. I have Kikai's cage right here. Don't know where that's gonna go because she's in the Philippines with my mom right now. And then I have some of my jewelry. I have assorted items in here. And then I have another drawer section here, which I actually might move upstairs, or I don't know. I'll show you the situation when we get up there. And then I have a walk-in closet over here. However, I'm not actually using this as my closet, so I have some PR stuff over here, and then I have just a bunch of stuff that I'm trying to sell, donate, you know, things like that. I did a closet purge and I wasn't able to sell or donate everything before I moved, so a lot of that stuff is like packed in here. So that's where all of that is. That's what all of this stuff is. And then right here, there's like a linen closet. Still trying to figure out an organizing situation for that. And then this is all of my travel stuff. So I have like all my travel bags. I have my little neck pillow. I have a bunch of other travel bags. So that is in here. Oh, I have my packing cubes. That is all in there. And then I have my my little dining table. This is also from IKEA. I got it from my neighbors who were moving out as I was moving into my apartment last year, and they gave it to me for 20 bucks. So I got this whole set for 20 bucks. I'm not sure how much it is at IKEA. I'm assuming it's like relatively still pretty inexpensive. I am definitely going to replace this set. I just bought it because I needed it at the time and I needed it now, and they're giving me a good deal. I don't know my interior design style yet, so you know. We'll have to figure it out. And then I have my candle right here. This is the Frosted Cranberry by Bath and Body Works. A lot of people ask me about these two products on my Instagram story. This is a candle wick trimmer. It makes it easier to cut the candle wicks because if you use a pair of scissors, you have to like angle it and then it cuts it diagonal. So if you have like a specific candle wick trimmer, it just cuts it straight across, and also it has like that little dish shape so that it catches the trimmed wick. And then this is an electric lighter. There is no lighter fluid. This uses a Tesla coil and electricity to light stuff. So that is how it lights things, and once it runs out of a charge, I just charge it again and I can keep reusing it that way. No need to buy a new one or replace the lighter fluid. So there's no lighter fluid in here. It's completely electric. And then I have one of my chargers here, and then I have my Google Home Hub, and this controls pretty much everything. Like I use it to control music. Hey Google, play. And then it also controls my lights. Now I only have one light set up here. I'm gonna have to buy more lamps, but look. Hey Google, turn the living room light on.
You got it, turning on 3 lights.
Hey Google, turn the living room off.
Okay, turning 3 lights off.
Okay, and then this is the apartment. This is the loft. I was so surprised when I first moved in because I didn't know that the ceilings were gonna be this high. I moved in here without looking at the place first. I told them that I wanted to move here without actually seeing the place because when I told them that I wanted to live here, the apartment wasn't ready to be viewed, but I didn't want someone else to take it just in case I loved it. So I kind of just took a leap of faith, and it ended up being the best decision I ever made just by having faith in myself. myself and trusting myself, trusting my decision. So these ceilings are huge. They're probably about like, I don't know, I want to say like 16 feet high maybe. All of my furniture looks very small and miniature because the ceilings are so high. Also, I wanted to mention that most of the furniture in my apartment is from IKEA, and that's just because when I first moved into my first apartment, I just needed furniture right away. I didn't want to invest in pieces that I wasn't sure that I actually wanted. So most of the furniture in my house, I'd say like 95% of furniture in my house is from IKEA, just because it was inexpensive. They make deliveries really easy and they're really easy to put together. So yeah, this is the living room. Over here, I have clothes on the floor because I need to do my laundry. So that's why they're there. And then I have this big mirror. If you have watched any of my videos in the past, you know that this mirror used to be in that second bedroom in my last apartment. And I used this basically to film all of my like how to style videos. This is the mirror I used for that. There's a bunch of stuff still being unpacked and still trying to find a home. I just filmed a video right here. And then I have this couch from IKEA. It looks great, but it is the worst in terms of like function because it doesn't have like a full back. It doesn't have a full length back. So when you sit down, like your back goes back, like you almost bend backwards because it's not a full length backing. Like it's actually kind of a terrible couch, and if you ever see this at IKEA, I would not recommend it. Run away if you see it at IKEA. And then I have like two pieces of artwork right here. This one is a calligraphy piece that my parents got made when we lived in Japan. There was this artist who came on base and provided his services to people that wanted to get these done. And this apparently says our last name. I can neither confirm nor deny it because even though I lived in Japan, I did not learn much Japanese. So I actually don't even know if that's what he says it says. But we wanted to support a local artist, so we got this made. And it also is just really cool. I love the black on the gold, like the metallic gold. This has been in my family since we lived in Japan, and I asked my dad if I could have it for my apartment, and he said yes. So thanks, Dad. Shout out to you. I now have this. I'm not sure where I'm going to put it yet, but it's definitely going to be a part of my home. And then this is another like calligraphy piece from an artist named Christian Kabuyan, and he is a Baybayin calligraphy artist. That's the right title, right? Calligraphy artist, calligraphist. This says maganda in Baybayin, and if you're not familiar with Baybayin, that is the like ancient, I guess like script of the Philippines. So this one says maganda, and he gave this to me because he really loved the movement about colorism in the Philippines that I created called Magandang Morenex. So he gave this to me when I saw him at the SIPA Gala, and I'm very thankful and happy for it. I'm not sure where I'm going to put either of these, but they're just here for now. And then I have these two bookcases. These are also from IKEA. They were literally $20, and you can tell they're $20 because the quality is not great. I don't know if you can see this, but this bookcase is actually like leaning forward. It's not of great quality, I'm not gonna lie to you. I just have like some knickknacks and things like that. I have some books, photos. I have my Polaroid right there. I have this gold ball, and then I also have my YouTube play button. It's silver, so I need to hit 1 million so that I can get a gold play button and match the aesthetic. You know what I'm saying? Okay. And then I have my SIPA award. I got my Lakas Strength Award from the SIPA Gala. These are all of the letters that I received from my meet and greet in the Philippines. They're all right here. I kind of want to buy like a nice box or like a nice basket or something to put them in, but for now they're right here just because I don't want to lose them, and like I don't want to put it like over here, like scattered over here. I wanted to put it all in one place, so they're just there for now. And then back here I have like a photo frame with photos. Got some from YouTube Black. I met Lucy Hale at an Avon event, things like that. And then I have the Barrel Man. If you are from Baguio, you know exactly what this is. Let me show you a little demonstration. You're welcome. More books here, and then these are some vases that my mom bought in Japan. We moved a lot since we moved in Japan, so this one is like chipped from all the moving, which kind of sucks, but they're still here and they're still beautiful. And then this is my television. This is, I believe, a 68 or a 65-inch TV. It's by Samsung. I love Samsung as a brand. And then I have my PS4 that I have literally used like twice. And then yeah, so these are the big huge windows. There's a balcony out there, but I'm not gonna show it to you because it's really ugly out there right now. And then I have this one lamp that I got from IKEA, and then I have my robot vacuum cleaner. And then we're going to go upstairs. So this is the living room, and then we're going to go upstairs into the loft. So we've got to go up these stairs. And my favorite part about this loft is that it's hardwood floors, so it looks really nice in photos. This is technically like my office slash dressing room because I have my closet right here. I have all my clothes right here. It's like a 3 sliding door mirror closet. Instead of using that mirror that I used to use, I now have like 3 floor to ceiling mirrors that I could use to film my fashion videos, which is really awesome. It's going to make everything so much easier. And then I have to organize my shoes in some certain way. Some of them are still in their boxes, but I need to find out an actual situation to store my shoes. I have some of my sweaters up here. My longer stuff is right here. And then I have like blouses up here and then pants down there. And then I also have my, my handy little clothing rack that I also got from IKEA. It was like $12 or something like that. This is an extra desk that I had in my old apartment. It's now over here. I have my extra monitor for when I film videos, and then I have an extra printer there because I just bought a new printer. This is a LaserJet printer, and it takes way less time to print stuff, and also the photo quality is way, way, way better than like a regular inkjet. And then I have my computer right here. This used to be in my dining room area in my old apartment, but now it's right here because it's going to organize all of my like loose leaf papers and books and taxes and stuff. And then in here we have a toilet. So that is like the toilet, and it has a door, and then right next to it is another sliding door, and this has a sink, a shower, and some more storage space. And then this is what everything looks like from up here on the loft, or in the loft, whatever. But that is my new apartment. I'm definitely going to be staying here for, I don't know, a couple years at least, because I just am really in love with this place. Like, I'm actually really in love with this place. I cannot wait to show you guys like some home decorating vlogs and things like that. Like, I can't wait to show you guys how I end up furnishing this space. But yeah, oh my gosh, I'm so happy right now. I feel like the luckiest girl in the world. And also, I feel like the luckiest girl in the world, but I also want to give myself credit and say that I'm proud of myself, because I don't feel like I say that to myself enough. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys next time.